Hi everyone, Brett back out the tooth scale modeling with another Dspiae review. This one's just a Dspiae quickie. They have a new handheld cordless vacuum. I've opened the box, taken it out. I wanted to test it before I reviewed it to see if it was even going to be all that good. You get some extras in it. Here's long press to turn it on, 2 speeds. It's got a suction and a blower on it. When you open the box, there's 2 boxes inside. Okay, and you know it's not one of the nice, massive, heavy-duty Dspiae boxes, but that would cost a fortune. I'm thinking about cost. I better look this up real quick to see what this did cost. Anyway, I'm doing that. Wake up the computer here. Computer don't want to wake up here. So, we'll look at cost later. So anyway, there's the box. The box comes with a USB recharging cord and 1 vacuum part. 2 vacuum parts, the blower attachment, and it comes in this nice case. Open the case up, you get this interesting looking little device. There's where you recharge. It's got a cap on the end. Now, this is not how it works. That goes in there, cap just comes off. Vacuum part, you can attach this. You can attach this. And you can take this off. It comes with a filter that you can take out. I do not know if it's washable. And I have not seen where you can buy replacement ones. And then it's going to put all your dirt in here and you're going to empty it out. Okay. Hold the button. Lights up. 2 speeds. Low and high. And see, you just can't accidentally turn it on. You've got to long press it till it lights up and turn it on. Pretty good suction. And that's a little packet there. And like I said, it's also got a blower attachment, which would go on this end. And that would be this. You attach that, you've got a little blower. So let me zoom out some more. Bring over my dusty Airfix B17 build that I haven't done for a long time. Long hold. Oops, not long enough. That's low. I should zoom back in. It blew all the dust off the inner wing parts. So, wish I had a more dusty area. Let's see. I never really, because I just dusted. Oh, okay. Let's go back this way. Zoom into this. Let me see how much dust is on there. for me, I like it because what I've been using, oh, you can take that off too and just use that. Take this part off? Nope. What I've been using is this giant dust buster. And it works great too. And I'll probably still use it for the floor. But for the workbench, put this part on, and you're vacuuming up your area. You got this, and these are relatively stiff bristles. I wouldn't want to run it off across a finished model. But I would use it for the bench, vacuuming up things. Like I said, if I'd have realized I was going to do this, I wouldn't have cleaned up. But there you have it, Dspiae's new handy dandy vacuum. Like I said, it comes with a replacement filter. Come on. Oh, it's got a little flap here too. A little flappy thing right there. Makes sense for the vacuuming part. It's easier to put this on here and take the whole thing out. And take the cap off. So it's got a cap, sits nicely. Almost looks like a little, never mind. And it comes with it's rechargeable. Micro USB, right? There's this USB-C. I got so many Dspiae charging things. This is USB-C recharging, which would be the right cord. This is the cord it came with. The other cord was for my electric pencil I showed you last time. So USB-C recharging. There you have it. Dspiae's new. It's not available in America. Oh yeah, and I was going to find a price for you. Hold on a second. Hold that thought. Okay, so it's not available in the US yet. I ordered it directly from Hong Kong. And it was $40 about with shipping. So, Dspiae quality, $40 for a nice vacuum. That'll match all your other Dspiae stuff. Again, is it required? No. That shop vac cost me $20. Because it's a good shop vac. It's a Black & Decker. So, is it something that's required? Heck no. Is it something you'll enjoy? No, I don't know about that either. But I do know I like it. It's one of the better recent Dspiae things. They also came out with this, which I'll just show you real quick. It comes in a little box like this. Rechargeable UV light. And obviously it's not going to show up on camera, but it's got strobe mode. Oh, you can see it in my hand. Strobe mode, bright, dim, strobe. It's for curing whatever UV stuff, putty, glues, whatever. Nice again, anodized aluminum, matching Dspiae product. This cost, this cost about 15 bucks from the Hong Kong, again, not available in the US yet. But there you go, a couple new quick Dspiae products. Thanks for watching.